Got here. This just came in and I know exactly what this is. Okay, let me bring it inside and we'll open it up. Very nice quality. Look at the welds. Nice welds. Okay, so I'm really excited about this. It's very high quality and I can't wait to install this to the car. Hey, Dino here, and welcome back to GTA GT. I'm very excited today. Today I finally get to put the Steeda X Pipe on my GT. I've been waiting a long time to do this because I was going to do it myself. It was going to be a driveway install. But turns out my driveway is not the safest place to jack up the car, put it on jack stands and crawl underneath the car. So for safety reasons, I'm not gonna do that. I brought it to the mechanic. It's like a 2-minute walk away from my place, and it's gonna be ready in a couple hours. So stay tuned, watch the video. At the end, we'll do some sound clips. So the X Pipe was gonna be a driveway install, but as you guys can see, some of these stones are loose. I mean, this is my driveway. It's very old. Looks good, but it's very uneven. And when you install an X Pipe and you crawl under your car and the car's up on jack stands, as a safety measure, you need a good floor. You can't do it on stones. It's not safe. I did have the car up on jack stands and it's not safe. It's not even. It's on stones. Some of these stones are loose, and I'm just not gonna take that chance of doing it myself, crawling under the car. If it's not safe, I'm not gonna do it. So I'm still very excited. I can't wait to pick it up and see what it sounds like. There she goes. The white lightning is getting the X Pipe put on. Finally, I'm so excited. Alright, so still waiting for my car to be ready. Getting really excited here. Can't wait to get it. I want to see what it sounds like. I want to hear this X Pipe. The Steeda X Pipe. But I'm getting really hungry, so I'm gonna eat something. I'll show you what I eat. So I'm back to the gym. I'm trying to lose weight. I'll show you what I eat. I'm gonna eat some slop. Okay, so the cashew's milk, or cashew's juice, or cashew's liquid, whatever you want to call it, is nice and warm, and now I'm going to put these oats in there. So this is a 1/4 cup of oats, and there it is, people. There's my breakfast. Slop. It's like that Big Brother slop. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy this. Alright, so I got the car back. The X Pipe has been installed. And the car sounds very nice. It's a lot louder. Sounds more exotic. So basically, this is how it sounds from the cockpit with the windows up. Oh yeah, it's solid. Alright, let's try putting the windows down. So I'm on normal mode right now. Oh, we'll get a bridge. Okay, let's see here. Woo! Fourth gear. Super loud. It's just right. I was actually thinking of doing an axle back, but I don't know. It sounds so good. Okay, we're gonna have to try sport mode. Here we go. Let's go sport mode. Alright, here we go. Fourth gear. Wow. The car's driving better too. It's a little bit quicker. It feels healthier. Okay, let's now shift to third. Let's go full on third. Actually, let's go to second. So second gear on sport mode. Here we go. Fourth gear. Third. Sounds nice. Sounds real nice. Sounds exotic. First gear. Oh, I love the way it sounds. Sounds really good. So I'm actually going to stop. Topless. Okay, here we go. Let's put the roof down. See how it sounds with the roof down. Okay, here we go, roof down. Sounds. Here we go. Fourth gear. Downshift. Woo. Sounds different, and it sounds nice. Now let's go to let's do track mode. Here we go, track mode. So, loudest setting, here we go. gonna put the car on track mode. There we go, track mode. There we go. Sounds amazing. I think track mode sounds the best. Second gear. Sounds amazing, guys. Steeda X Pipe sounds really, really good. Wow, that's fun. I think I pushed my luck enough here with the police. I gotta drive nice now. So that's enough playing around. I'm gonna go to the car wash, get the car washed, put some gas in it, go home, and then I'll put a camera on the back of the car on my driveway. I'll give it some gas and we'll see how it sounds. Okay, well, here we are. I'm gonna put the camera on the back here and we'll give it some revs. We'll see how it sounds. So normal mode first. So what can I say about the X Pipe? Well, I love it. I think it's amazing. The car sounds so good. At 3,500 RPM, the car sounds amazing. Exotic. Beautiful sound. I don't think I want to do anything else to the exhaust because it just sounds that good. The car also drives better. Feels a little bit faster. It's breathing more. It's like it's liberated. It just feels so good. I love the X Pipe and I recommend it. If you have an 18-19 Mustang GT, get an X Pipe. It sounds amazing. It's so much fun. I hope I don't get in trouble with tickets, speeding and stuff like that, because I just want to rev the car. It just sounds so good, you just want to rev it. Next thing you know, you're speeding. So I hope I don't get in trouble with it, but I totally recommend it. It's a lot of fun. The car sounds amazing and it actually drives better. I think it's healthier for the car. So very happy. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you subscribe to the channel. There'll be more videos coming. And as always, enjoy your car, but always be safe. Till next time.